So in this video, you'll learn how to enable camera flash notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So start by opening the Settings app, then you want to scroll and select Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Advanced Settings and then choose Flash Notification. From here, in order for you to enable your camera flash notification, just tap on the toggle next to that option to turn it on. So now if you ever want to see how it looks like, you can just select this preview option here, and then you can see how the flash notification would look like on your A56. Preview, there it is. You can go a step further by customizing your camera flash notifications. So you can just tap on the option like that, and then you'll see a list of apps that currently have camera flash notification enabled. So you can go through the list and tap on the toggles next to specific apps who you don't want using the camera flash notification feature. So for example, if you don't want Samsung Pass using the camera flash notification feature, you can just tap on the toggle like that to turn it off. However, if you have some apps, say for example the phone app or even the messages app, whose flash notifications have been disabled and you want to turn them on so that they can be able to use the feature, then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle next to any of those options and the camera flash notification will now be applied to that app. So it's up to you to go through the list and customize it to your liking. Once you're done, you can now close the Settings app with the changes being applied to your A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.